Hi, friends.
It's us, Bob and Fran, healthy aging advocates, authors, and coaches. Today we want to clarify the differences between vegetarian, vegan, and a whole food plant-based diet. We've noticed that a great many people do not totally understand what makes up these eating regimens. So let's get right into it.
So first, let's start with the saddest of diets, the standard American diet, SAD, SAD. It's composed of 5 groups of food. First group involves milk, yogurt, and cheese.
The second group includes meat, poultry, fish, dried beans, eggs, and nuts.
And then the third group is veggies, vegetables. The fourth group is fruit.
And the fifth group would be bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. And it also says to use fat, oil, and sweets sparingly.
If you look around, you can see that this diet really doesn't work very well, as more Americans than ever are overweight, obese, sick, and disabled. But it is the #1 diet choice in the United States and maybe worldwide.
Now, the second diet that we want to mention is the vegetarian diet. This is a good step up from the SAD diet. When you eat a vegetarian meal, you avoid eating meat, poultry, fish, and seafood. But you could choose to eat eggs, honey, and dairy products.
Going vegetarian is more healthy than the SAD diet or any fad diet for sure. You have an endless variety of fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains to choose from. And you can get all the protein you need from plant foods like this.
Now, the third diet is the vegan diet. This diet, we believe, is even more healthful than vegetarianism. Many people come to a vegan diet because of their love of animals and wanting to protect them. So if you are a vegan, you will avoid eating anything that comes from animals. We always say if it has a face, don't eat it. So that would be beef, pork, lamb, and all other red meat, chicken, turkey, and all other poultry, fish or shellfish, such as crabs, clams, mussels, eggs, cheese, butter, milk, cream, ice cream, and other dairy products, and honey. Now, on a vegan diet, you can choose to eat foods made from plants, including fruits and vegetables, legumes such as peas, beans, and lentils, nuts and seeds, breads, rice, and pasta, and dairy alternatives such as soy milk, coconut milk, and almond milk, to name a few, and you can use vegetable oils.
Studies show that vegans have less chance of having certain chronic diseases, including obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and some kinds of cancers like GI tract and breast and ovarian and uterus cancers in women. Simply eating more nutritional foods that comprise a vegan diet is another important factor. These foods are rich in fiber and antioxidants that help guard one's health.
One concern that we have about veganism is that today there are highly processed vegan foods that have become more widely available. This makes it possible to eat a vegan diet while eating very few whole plant foods. So vegans could consume a lot of processed foods that are not at all healthy, like cookies, potato chips, soda pop, and countless more. You can actually go into a supermarket and walk down a whole aisle of vegan foods that are basically junk food.
Remember, a whole food plant-based diet is vegan, but a vegan diet is not necessarily plant-based.
Hi friends, just a quick break here. Bob and I are very concerned about the dangerous chemicals in our drinking water and how they can ruin our health. So for several years, we've been using this convenient and economical Aqua True tabletop reverse osmosis system in our kitchen to transform our tap water into filtered and purified water No installation or plumbing is needed, and the result is pure, delicious water. So, we urge you to click on the Aqua True link in the description below and see for yourself how this can add so much to your healthy lifestyle and longevity. Please, invest in your health now. So, a whole food plant-based diet has proven to be the most beneficial diet. This is what we personally eat and advocate for others as part of a healthy aging lifestyle, starting at any time in your life. People come to it for many personal health benefits, for the health of the environment, and for the welfare of animals.
This diet can do wonders to help prevent and even reverse chronic diseases and overweight. We know this firsthand because we experienced it. A whole food plant-based diet is centered around eating whole and minimally processed foods.
This way of eating avoids all animal products. It only focuses on food from plants, including vegetables, fruit, whole grains, beans, legumes, seeds, and nuts. It excludes refined foods like added sugar, white flour, table salt, and processed oils. Attention is to food quality, with many proponents of the whole food plant-based diet promoting locally sourced, organic food whenever possible.
A whole food plant-based diet is often confused with vegan or vegetarian diets. Although they may be similar in some ways, these diets are not the same.
The whole food part of the whole food plant-based has become increasingly at issue. Many manufacturers are now labeling highly processed vegan foods as plant-based. This has effectively made plant-based and vegan synonymous to many consumers who buy these unhealthy foods believing that they're healthy. But a whole food plant-based diet has many proven health benefits. It reduces your risk for cancer, heart disease, stroke, hypertension, diabetes, and other diseases, including some mental health issues.
Plants are high in fiber, which is present in all unprocessed plant foods. Enjoying a plant-based diet improves the health of your gut, so you are better able to absorb the nutrients from food. Fiber can also lower cholesterol, stabilize your blood sugar, and it's great for good bowel management.
Whole food plant-based foods are also packed with antioxidants and protein. This diet works to strengthen your immune system, reduce inflammation, and increase your energy levels.
We know firsthand how powerful this diet can be. It was the way for both of us to overcome devastating, life-threatening illnesses. It's all about the food.
It's our hope that this helped you better understand the differences in these three diets. Tell us about your current way of eating, and do you plan to stick to it or try another by commenting below.
We hope that you will help us build our subscriber list. Oh, please, we'd appreciate that, by recommending our channel to other people. This will enable us to continue to provide useful, healthy aging content for you.
And we look forward to seeing you again very soon.
See you again.